G'day guys, Mountain Bike Geek here. We're finally getting around to doing the bike check / review of the Haste. So, the Haste in a nutshell. 27.5 wheels, 160mm rear, 170 front, well I'm running 160 at the moment, but 170, 180 front. It's a ZS 4456 headset, 65.5 degree headset angle, 442mm chainstays. Means this thing can bomb down trails pretty quick and very stable. Frame is all carbon, uses an active float system suspension or AFS, and has a floating rear brake. Like most bikes these days, it's got internal routing. It does that for the rear derailleur and for the rear brake. The dropper post is mostly internally routed, except for here. Because of the suspension system, the seat stay doesn't go all the way down, so you need an externally routed dropper. I've got a 50mm Azonic stem with 760mm Azonic carbon CFK bars, DVO diamond for the moment, Magura MT7 brakes, rev grips, because rev grips are awesome, Shimano XT M8000 shifters, Cane Creek Highline dropper lever, E13 34 tooth chainring, E13 TRS Plus cranks, pedaling components, pedals, XT M8000 cassette with 1-up shark tooth 50 tooth cog, XT M8000 shifter, derailleur I should say, and in there it's running on a 1-up components mini driver with the 1-up components 10 tooth cog. So 180mm Shimano Ice-Tech rotor on the rear and a 203mm Ice-Tech rotor on the front. And of course my own custom mudguard from Reaper Guards. Also can't forget the Cane Creek double barrel coil with a 600-pound spring on it, running a 20% sag. And of course finished off with the WTB Volt seat. Currently running the Nexty Classic Enduro rims with the Maxxis Aggressor 2.5 on the rear and the same wheel on the front with a Minion DHF 2.6 on the front, both running tubeless of course, and they are running on DT Swiss 350 hubs. All in all, a pretty sweet setup, I think. And check out the view. Love the view.
always, press the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe to get my regular updates. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications if you love my videos.